Hello children. In the previous recorded video, I taught you about fiber to fabric. We dealt with half of the lesson. We have finished. In that we have seen about history of clothing material, what did early humans they used to wear, then after how many years they came to know how to wear the stitched clothes, then they started weaving. Then in the 19th century, they have learnt very good about the cotton that has become very famous. Next, again we have dealt with different types of fibers. Okay, now in that I have told you about what do you mean by fiber. Fiber is a thin hair-like thread. Like that, when the threads are twisted, then it becomes a yarn. Here you can see the image. It is making about yarn. How the yarns are made from fibers. Okay, so when the yarn is made, then it is made into fabric. Then the fabric is made into cloth. Okay, like any material. Next, in the previous lesson only, in the previous recorded video only, I have explained about different types of fibers. There we have seen very detail about different plant fibers we have seen. Okay, so here you can see the image of that. What are the different fibers we have seen. Next, this one I didn't explain in the previous recorded video. Now we will go about this. Animal fibers. There are two animal fibers, wool and silk. Wool we will obtain from the hair of sheep. Silk we will obtain from the cocoons of silk moth. How we will obtain wool from the sheep means when you will observe the sheep body outside, the skin is very thick. When you will observe that skin, it will be having thick hair on the body. So that thick skin is called as fur. So that fur will be removed, then it is processed to make as wool. Next, about the silk. Silk we will get it from the silkworms. So the rearing of the silkworms for silk is called sericulture. So in this silk, actually the silkworms, they will lay eggs. That eggs they will be changing into caterpillar. Caterpillar will be eating the mulberry leaves. So when we will be eating mulberry leaves voraciously means very fast, they will be going on eating the leaves. So when they will eat the leaves, so from its body they will be secreting the silk fiber. That silk fiber will be encircling its body. When it encircles its body, it will form like a bulb-like structure. That bulbous structures are called as cocoons. So that cocoons they will be taken and they will be kept in boiled water. Then they are kept in boiled water means the caterpillar, the worm will die and the silk fiber will be floating on the boiled water. Then it will be taken out, it will be separated out. Then it is processed to make it as silk fabric. Okay, these are about the animal fibers. Next, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are made from chemical substances. So that's why they are called as man-made fibers. Why? Why? Because we are not obtaining anything from the either from the plant source or from the animal source. So here you can see the examples: nylon, rayon, and polyester. Next, cotton. About that cotton I have explained in the previous recorded video. Here you can see the cotton fruit like this. So when they are separated from the cotton fiber from the seeds, it is called as gimlet. Okay, already we dealt with this last. Jute also have explained. See here you can see the image how the cotton stems are soaked in water. That process is called as retting. Then they are separated out, then they are dried, then we are getting jute fiber. Okay, next from here we have to move. Here obtaining fabric from fiber. How we are obtaining anything from the fiber means first one is yarn. Yarn I have told just now. Twisted threads is called as yarn. So that process of making yarn is called as spinning. Okay. So you can see here three images. One is takli. It is a spinning tool. Charkha and spinning machine. So these three tools are used to obtain yarn or to make yarn from fibers. Most of you will be observing this charkha when you see the image or picture of our father of nation, you can see that he will be doing that. Okay, charkha. It is nothing but the process of making yarn. Okay, next. When you are obtaining it yarn, it has to be made into fabric. Means fabric is nothing but piece of cloth. So here we will be learning about two processes. First one is weaving. Weaving in which you are using two sets of yarn. Two sets means one will be horizontal line and another one will be vertical line. So like that, when horizontal and vertical lines will be woven together, it is called as weaving. Here I want to add up one point. Weaving, it can be done by hand looms or else by power looms. Okay, that machine is called as loom. So when it is used by hand, it is called as hand loom. When it is used by power, completely by machine or electricity, is called as power loom. Okay, next. Other process is knitting. Knitting is nothing but only one single yarn will be used to make complete fabric, complete piece of cloth. Best example for this is you can see the sweater. If the sweater is torn, woolen sweater, if it is torn, just you pull out one thread, automatically full sweater it comes out, means full, it will, whatever it is woven, no, it comes back. It comes back to complete yarn. You can see complete one single fiber. You can see that process is called as knitting. Okay. Hope you have understood the lesson. It is very small. You can remember. Okay. Thank you.